Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on HTC U23 Pro. To do this, first let's find all of the speakers on this device, first one being at the bottom right here. Then there's the next one on top of the screen, and that's a phone call speaker. Now, I think we found all of the speakers on this device, and to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of them with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. Now let's try it out. So I can already confirm that this device does have the stereo speakers, as the sound was coming from the bottom speaker as well as the phone call speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.